What a difference a day. 24 little hours.
Dr. Kelso.
Hello, Dr. Kelso.
The daily charts depict an inverse head and shoulders pattern that could yield a rally to $5,000 and perhaps beyond if its neckline is successfully scaled. Acceptance, however, below the most recent higher low of 3,560 will invalidate the bullish reversal set up and likely bring the most recent lows of 3,130 into play. No. Now, I'm no technical analyst expert, but I believe this is very bullish. About a 55% chance. That's right. A word from our sponsor.
Welcome to Infleum, a blockchain-based DApp publishing platform that defines the process from ideation, development, and marketing for your brand and or startup. Coming from one of Korea's top startup accelerating companies, Elsolcom, Korea's top startup building organization with an average brand growth of over 2,000% and accumulated sales revenue of over $30 million. Infleum's innovative reverse ICO allows us to utilize micro-influencers and professionals, help you make an impact, pay fair compensation, and ensure a successful business model. Check out the link in the description.
So about 30 hours ago, Bitcoin jumped 7% after falling 5% just before it. Now, I'm not sure how much we can look into 7% gains anymore. It doesn't mean as much as it used to. Nowadays, it seems 5 to 10% swings really aren't that uncommon, which translates to 10 to 20% for lower cap coins. But did the bears reach you... Sorry, there you are. Did the bears reach euphoria levels on December 15th, 16th when Bitcoin fell to 3,200? Are they now in the denial stage with BACT and an ETF approval maybe around the corner? Did you survive the 2018 bear market and are just about to get rewarded for it? Or are we going to end up swinging between 3 and 6K for years? Either could happen, right? But let me explain why I think the latter is more probable than the former. Sorry, no. Why the latter is more I think Bitcoin's going to go up. Fully keep it in mind, of course, that many, even some of you, have lost faith in cryptocurrency. Comment on my last video from Pepe Xerxes. To be honest, I have lost faith in crypto. Sad face. Time to go for you. Again, peeps, we will not have a huge rally again in Bitcoin until the majority of people think like you and drop out of the market. True, but a bit harsh. I'm not going to say this is right or wrong for them. The wild ride of crypto isn't suitable for everyone. You do you. But this question is for you, Pepe Xerxes, before we never see you around here no more. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. And everyone else who finds themselves in a similar boat. What drew you to crypto? Was it one reason? Was it multiple reasons? And do those reasons gain validity over time? Whatever made cryptocurrency popular in the first place since its creation, whether for you that's the promise of more fiat, whether for you it, well, let's be honest, that's what it is for most, but whether it was political freedom, financial freedom, whatever it is you find personally attractive about it, borderless, convenient, memes, maybe everything. Those reasons, I believe, do get stronger over time. Let's look at them. Bank corruption, for example, worse and worse over time. Governmental corruption and or incompetence, worse and worse. Investment vehicle. Okay, so yeah, we are quite low at the moment. That might actually be good for investment, but lots of industries are being helped to help bring more people into this space. So you would have to say, over time, it looks like it's getting better and better. Or a tool of convenience. Again, getting better and better. Memes? Subjectively speaking, fantastic during a bear market. Loving it. Meme review next, probably. So even though I think it's less likely, are years of sideways trading really such a bad thing? Or even another big dip, looking at the big picture of things? If there is going to be another rise in the market, and I've just labeled a few reasons why I think there would be, crypto will only be in a better place to capitalize on it. After all, it was not ready for it in 2017. Nowhere near. Took a day and a half to buy a Bitcoin, any amount of Bitcoin. Fees were so high, It priced out everyone but the most serious of investors. It's still very early developmentally for cryptocurrency. You can't expect too much from them just yet. Not quite a Terminator. Unless you're Cardano. Got you. Had to do it, sorry. There's positives and negatives from both scenarios, I suppose. But let's move on to the news. In Bitmain news, the largest crypto mining company in the world is having their co-CEOs resign. Now, why would a CEO resign at this stage? Even some of the most pessimistic about this bear market think we're at least halfway through. Why would you walk away from it now? Well, we aren't privy to an official word on why. The news of Wu Wenzhan's impending resignations comes on the heels of Bitmain's announcement that it is facing major staff reductions as part of its efforts to build a long-term sustainable and scalable business. But I am going to go out on a limb and I'm going to say, maybe this is far off the mark, but I'm going to say that just maybe it was because Yihan was running the company into the ground. So why? Just to name a few reasons. Failure after expensive failure at creating a smaller chip to create a more efficient miner, money-burning ego wars, and of course the ill-fated support of the Bitcoin Cash network all year, which saw millions and millions get burned and holding heavy Bitcoin Cash bags. I don't know what implications a new CEO would hold for us, the market. It ranges from nothing at all to crashing the market and maybe somewhere in between. But I know for certainty I'm going to miss ripping on Yihan Wu. Okay, settle down. Settle down. Yihan, shut up! It won't have done too badly though. Let's not fret too much. He received millions from bonuses. I'm sure he had long-term goals of being a billionaire instead of just being a millionaire, but condolences. Thank you for watching. The support has been absolutely incredible. Smash that like button, and I'll see you again soon.